Hello, beautiful people. How are you? Do you want to know how I make this beautiful spiral design? Come to the class and let's go. Today's tutorial. So today we'll make this spiral design turban. Okay. So in it we'll be needing our matching thread. We'll be needing our scissors, our measurement tape. We'll be needing our material, which is this. I'm using raw silk. I'll be needing our foam. So let's get the measurement of our materials. In this one, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of foam. Then the length of the foam, is, let's get the measurement, okay? We're making use of 29, okay? 29 inches, okay? 29 inches by 1.5, okay? I don't know if you can see it. 29 inches by 1.5. And the foam I'm using is 1-inch foam, okay? I will need 5 pieces of it, okay? Then the material I'm using is raw silk material, and this is the stretchy side. So I'm going to measure, and it's folded. Take note, please. It's folded. I folded it into 2, okay? So when you close it like this, okay, when it's closed like this, okay, then you take your measurement, just for you to see the measurement. That's why I folded it into 2. So you will need, this is 18 plus 18. When you open it like this, okay, you are getting 37, or let's say 36.5, okay? Okay, then the length, that is the width. Then the length, is 19 inches. I don't know if you can see it. 19 inches, okay? So we'll pick our material, open it up like this, okay? Then we take our foam, our 1.5 inches foam, we put it, insert it inside, okay? When you insert it inside, you fold it, okay? You fold it inside the material, then you stitch. Make sure you're leaving some allowance here, just a bit allowance, not too much, like 1 inch allowance, okay? You fold it like this and you stitch, okay? So you make sure there is no space here when you're stitching it. Make sure that there is no space here, so you hold it very tight, okay? So let's go. Okay, as you're sewing it, you make sure there is no space and it's well balanced, okay? And you're sewing close to the foam, okay? You're sewing close to the foam, okay? Okay, when you finish sewing, okay, you can see I've finished sewing the first one. So you pick your second foam, you also insert it, okay? You insert it, okay? Then you fold. When you start it, you fold. Make sure when you are sewing, you are not adding this allowance. Make sure your allowance is balanced. You can use your pin, okay? You can use your pin to secure it, okay, so that it doesn't flip and join what you're sewing. Okay, so what you do now, you flip it. Okay, so you stitch again. So we are taking the second one. So we have inserted the one. This is the first one. So we are sewing the second one. So you're just leaving half inch. Okay, what you're leaving is half inch. Okay. Just walk closely, you see what you understand what I'm doing. Okay, I'm stitching the second one. Okay guys, we have finished joining all of them. Okay, so we trim off this excess. Okay, trimming off the excess. Okay, so what you do now, this is how it looks, the middle. So what you do now is to close it. So we'll do it like this and close it up. Okay, when you have closed it off, you can see we have closed it off. You can't see the rough edges again. So what we need to do now is to roll it. Okay, you roll it. First of all, you tack, use your needle and thread and tack it. Okay, so that by the time you're rolling it won't shift. Okay, so when you secure it, after you have secured it, you roll it. Okay, start rolling it. You can use you can ask somebody to help you to hold it, or you can use your machine, okay, to hold it. Okay, then you start rolling it. And you secure this one as well. Okay, so after we have tacked it, so it's now tacked. So I have these pieces of material I'll use to cover the back. Okay, So I'll use, okay, it's measuring 9 inches by 4. So I'm going to fold it into 2 like this. Then I'll use it to cover this place, okay? I'll use it to cover this place. Okay guys, we are done and dusted. So we are to rock our, if you want to know how I do this cap, the base, which is the base, you can check on the channel, okay? So this is 2-piece. You can rock the hairband, the turban like this, okay? You can rock it like this, and or you can rock this like this, okay? So it's 2 ways, okay? So our tutorial for today, you can rock this together like this, okay? Hope you can see it. You can rock it like this, okay? And you can decide to rock this only, okay? You can rock only this, okay? And as well, you can rock only this on your wig, on your head, okay? So it's 2-piece spiral design turban, okay? You can rock it in 3 ways, okay? So here comes the end of our tutorial for today. Please send in your comments, okay, on the comment section. Thank you guys for always watching and coming to watch my tutorial. Thank you for your like and your share, your subscribing. Thank you, and see you again in my next video. Bye bye.